We're T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We have to go from ready to start. 2, 1, 0. Booster ignition and liftoff of Shuttle Endeavour.
The launching of a spacecraft is not easy process. It needs a lot of time, a lot of energy. It is launched vertically from the launch pad. During launching, a rocket needs at least 28,646 km/h speed to break the gravity force which is acting on the rocket, which pushes them down. At liftoff, the rocket's powerful main engine starts, the fuel in the engine burns, which produces thrust. The thrust accelerates the rocket with the payload away from the launch pad. This whole process working on the simple Newton's third law of motion, which states for every action in nature there is an equal and opposite reaction. The launch of a spacecraft comprises a period of power flight during which the vehicle rises above Earth's atmosphere and accelerates it leads to the orbital velocity. Power flight ends when the rocket last stage burns out and spacecraft separate and continue free fall motion. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos and updates.